Hello guys, and welcome to my March plan with me and bullet journal. For this month I used 2 brush pens, 1 uni ball pen, a ruler and a pencil. So for this month I went with a theme of green and stars, and kind of the same with my 2018 spreads. So for my title page I just used some brush calligraphy and wrote the word March. Then I also put hello on top of it, adding an accent as well. And then on the side I added a quote called, "If your goals don't scare you, they aren't big enough." So for my March 2018 log, I just decided to go for a different layout. I just used a table this time, and then I just outlined it with the uni roll pen. Moving on to my YouTube growth tracker, I just kind of did the same kind of layout, and then I'm just going to fill that in every single day of the month. Then I did on the below that, I did like a YouTube logo in green, and then I just put a little cursive line around it. Actually my first habit tracker. I've never done them before, so yeah, I'm going to be doing this habit tracker. I added stuff like blogging, filming videos, uploading, fitness, that kind of thing. For my weekly spreads, I just wrote Monday to Sunday across the page. Obviously, as you can see, I didn't have any space for the Sunday, but you know, I just ended up just writing it below and then adding some cursive lines around the box. And then I put events, tasks, and notes as 3 separate sections. And I've actually started using this for the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And wow, like, they're really, really good. So I would definitely recommend this spread. You'll notice that I also added some stars around. I just thought it would look really cute, so I decided to do that. Also in the events, tasks, and notes areas. And then I just went in with my green brush pen, and then I just started colouring in those white stars. And as I don't bullet journal very much on Sundays, I just left a small space for Sunday. And then I also did my YouTube start and end of the week goal tracker and stuff like that. I don't really set goals weekly, but I do track how many subscribers I have. And this is my mood tracker. So I'm really happy with this. It's like a bubble kind of theme. I really liked it. I got it off Pinterest. So if you're looking for inspiration, go follow me on Pinterest. I mean, I have an entire board for a bullet journaling. I think it like has 300 pins. So yeah, go follow me there. And yeah, I just really like the theme. I think for my February bullet journal setup, which I will link up in the iCard, it was a bit too simple for me. I mean, it was great, but it just was a bit too simple. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I'm just gonna be coloring these in with different colors as well. So my Pinterest is currently on the screen. So again, for this spread, I'm going to be doing something a bit different. So I decided to do a brain dump. So this is just basically going to be where I'm going to put any miscellaneous ideas or thoughts or anything like that. Things I want to buy, things I want to watch, things I want to do. I'll just keep them here instead of putting them on a notepad or something like that where I might just forget it. Adding some accents to that, I decided to add some of those stars again. So I'm going to actually just fill them in with some green water brush pen, and then also I've just kind of left some completely black, which I think just really makes it really rustic and really cute. And then at the bottom I put these kind of nests. Literally just go and watch This Is Shell and Amanda Rachel's video because it's exactly like that. So yeah. And then I just added a quote, and this quote was called "Everything begins with an idea," which I believe is true, and it really relates to the brain dump. So once I had finished all my spreads, the brain dump was my last spread. I will obviously finish off my weekly spreads later, but I just kind of went around and started adding like idea, that stereotypical idea light bulb. So yeah, I added that with some accents around it, and then I just kind of went in, added some green accents around the letters, and just did some final touches really. So here is just a flip through of my March bullet journal setup. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my spreads and this plan with me. If you liked it, please comment that down below. I'm really going to be enjoying these spreads this month of March, and I hope you guys are enjoying yours too. I am doing another Q&A, by the way, for March, so if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!